Did you know, it's difficult to take a decision in the afternoon? So, what is decision making? And why is it important to be decisive? What is decision making? It is the process of choosing between several possible options when making a major decision. Signs of an indecisive person. They have difficulty making decisions, and may become anxious when forced to do so. They are more easily influenced by others, who hold strong beliefs. They sometimes prefer that the final decision be made by someone else. They may have doubts about their decisions, even after they've made them. They carefully weigh all of the options, benefits and drawbacks of each in too much detail. Advantages of being decisive include improved resource utilization. The 6 M's, or men, money, materials, machines, methods, and markets, are the available resources which are always limited. A person must make correct decisions for all of the 6 M's in later life. Dealing with issues and challenges. Making decisions helps in confronting and overcoming new problems and challenges. Quick and correct decisions help in the faster resolution of problems, and the prevention of new ones. Achieving goals. Making rational decisions will help you achieve all of your objectives quickly. This is because rational decisions are made after thoroughly analyzing and weighing all of the options. Improves efficiency. Making rational decisions can help you save time and money. Efficiency means making a sound decision in a short amount of time. The more efficient you are, the more time you can save. Indecisiveness has the following disadvantages. It reduces your knowledge and expertise. Gives the impression that you're lacking in creativity or spontaneity. Keeps you from taking advantage of opportunities. Because you think too much and don't try new things, you don't learn from your mistakes. You don't believe in yourself or your instincts. It makes you a procrastinator. Restricts your overall development. How to make a decision. Determine why you're hesitant to make decisions. Understand why you take time to make decisions, then devise strategies to overcome your reluctance. If you're hesitating because of the negative effects of a previous decision, remember to learn from your mistakes, and see each decision as a new chance to succeed. Be flexible. Always look for new ways to do things. Being open to new outcomes and consequences helps you make better decisions. Set specific objectives. Set goals to track your progress and achievement. It could be as simple as attempting to spend less time deciding what to eat for lunch. Look up to someone. A role model can make learning a new skill much easier, so choose someone to look up to. Consider your parents, teachers, or mentors who have achieved success in their careers as industry leaders. Prepare yourself. If you know you'll have to make a decision soon, you can research your options ahead of time. Knowing what options are available can help you feel more secure if the situation changes, or the deadline approaches sooner than you anticipated. Don't waste time on minor decisions. Consider the importance of a decision before devoting a significant amount of time to it. When making small decisions, try to make a quick decision. Assess the outcomes of decisions. After you've made a choice, consider whether it was the best one. If you believe you made a poor decision, make a plan for what you'll do differently next time. It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Tony Robbins. Do you want to be a decisive individual who makes sound decisions?